What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic. Today, 2016 AMG GTS. This car's got some free flow bypass pipes and then our full exhaust system. From factory, this system is actually quite aggressive, but with Valvetronic, this system runs full 3 inches the whole way, unrestricted. Man, this thing sounds insane. Race mode. The cracks are insane. Ready? So in this configuration, we run the system duals all the way back. It's how you get the most raw, aggressive sound. And there really is nothing else like it. The system adds so much aggression to this platform. Shifts are insane as well. System runs back 3 inches all the way, H-pipe in the center to help accentuate that high end. Man, this thing sounds insane. Compared to the factory system has a little bit smaller diameter where the exhaust enters the valve section. So this, running at 3 inches the whole way, it deepens the sound. You get some more volume, more aggressive pops and cracks. What more could you want? We'll hop outside for you guys and we'll show you what this thing sounds like on the outside. Let's do it.